Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to download and install Messenger Lite app in your Android mobile phone. Now the ways to download and install Messenger Lite app in your Android device is very simple. All you need to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. If you're not connected to an internet service, then there might occur some complications. So what you need to do is, in order to install or download Messenger Lite, you'll need to first of all open Play Store on your Android mobile phone. After that, on the search box, you need to type in Messenger Lite, and after that you'll be able to find Messenger Lite right over here. In my case, this particular application is not available in my region, so that is the reason that I'm unable to find the application. But in your case, the scenario might be different, that you'll be able to see the application right over here, and all you need to do is just long press on it, click on the install button, and wait for the application to be installed. After you're done installing the application, log in into your account by entering your credential, or you can also create an account. So that is basically how you can download and install Messenger Lite app in your Android mobile phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.